QuickBooks Budgeting App Review. Usage Experience. This is the QuickBooks Budgeting App Review usage experience, and I've added links to the product in the description below. QuickBooks is widely known as a leading accounting and financial management tool, and its budgeting features make it a solid choice for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who need to track income, expenses, and cash flow. While QuickBooks is primarily built for business finance management, its budgeting tools are flexible enough to help create, monitor, and adjust budgets based on actual income and spending. The budgeting feature allows you to set up monthly, quarterly, or annual budgets by category, whether it's expenses, revenue, or both. You can compare actual spending against your budget in real time, helping you identify areas where you're overspending or where you have room to invest more. One key advantage is automatic expense tracking, thanks to its ability to connect directly to your bank accounts and credit cards. Transactions are automatically imported and categorized, making budget updates nearly effortless. QuickBooks also lets you split transactions into multiple categories, which is essential for businesses that need detailed expense tracking across different projects or departments. For users needing cash flow forecasting, QuickBooks can use your budget data to project future cash flow based on historical trends and current financials, providing a clear financial outlook. For collaborative budgeting, QuickBooks allows multiple users, so accountants, managers, and business partners can access and review budget performance together, ensuring everyone stays aligned. It also offers custom reports, meaning you can generate budget versus actual reports, making financial reviews much faster and more transparent. Keep in mind that QuickBooks is not a personal finance app, so if you're looking for something to track daily personal spending or savings goals, there are better options. But if you need a professional-level budgeting tool for business management, QuickBooks offers powerful automation, reliable financial reporting, and seamless integration with accounting features. It's ideal for businesses serious about financial planning and long-term budgeting. If you want to explore QuickBooks or get started, check the product links in the description.